Yeah, I found it. It's worse than expected. 6 wheels buried, rears deep, real deep. We're not pulling this out clean. And time. Pull from the front, it'll drag the rear deeper. Rear's anchored. We lift tension wrong at twist. We don't pull it out, we walk it out. Stage it, short pulls, reset each time, anchor points there. Gonna fight us the whole way.
Workshop, come in. We've located the unit. TP's at Fuchs, 6x6, fully embedded and rigs up to rear before second to wind support. Let us roll out clean.
Copy that. Heavy recovery unit is being assembled. Understood. Ground is unstable near rear. We'll prep anchor points along higher line. Winch system, steel cable, anchors, and transport rig en route. ETA pending terrain access. Then we start prepping.
Hold steady. Stop there. That's the brake.
Ready?
Hold it there.
Hold it there. Hold it there.
Steady, hold that angle. Lower.
Hold. Locked. Connection secure.
Seized.
Cut. Replace. Free. Rebuild this. Placing the straight edge, checking for deviation. Measuring tape across the width, reading it now. Slight variation, we need to adjust. Perfect. Vertical supports next. The connections are clean, no distortion. Next bracket, positioning it now. Welding, hold steady, it's locking in. Alignment is perfect, the grid is solidifying. Okay, this fourth panel completes the side. It's heavy. On three. 1, 2, 3. Aligning. Looks good. Tack it. Seam is solid. Welds are smooth, no irregularities. Front panel secure, no flex. Lower edge seam is solid, uniform tone. It's fully integrated, ready. Careful, bring it forward slowly. Aligning now, watch the mounts. Good contact. Securing bolts. Front mounts torqued, moving to the rear. Side brackets are holding, no shift. Coupling seated, bolting it in. Looks solid, wiring clipped, good to go. Fuel lines and coolant, following original paths. Clamps tight, no leaks. Harness modules threaded to sensors and ignition. Drivetrain aligned, power transfer ready. System integrated. Everything is connected. Now everything must be confirmed. Fuel lines secure, no leaks. Electricals check, sensors responding, voltage stable. Primed, ready, prepared, fully. Vibrations are steadying, she's settling in. Confirmed, gauges are nominal, no anomalies. Good, let's give it a moment. Agreed, all systems stable. Foundation set, let's get this frame in. Alignment looks good, go ahead. Front, rear, and cross, it's locked. Bracket spacing is perfect. Secure, this is starting to look like something.